Do you think twice before making your wish list come true? What if you have the advantage of an additional income stream, which will not only help you fast track your goals, but also provide you with life cover to take care of your near and dear ones in case of your absence? Kotak Life presents Kotak Gain. Get assured income now, designed to give income. All three plan options of Kotak Gain deliver much needed comfort of income and legacy creation for long term. For example, with the early income option, you can receive regular income benefits which consist of guaranteed income and cash bonus starting as early as the end of the first policy month or year till the end of the policy term. Second option is the paid up addition option, wherein year after year your income benefits will keep on accumulating throughout the policy term until maturity or policyholder's demise, whichever is earlier. The third option is premium saver option, where you need to pay only 8 of the 10 premiums and you can utilize the guaranteed loyalty additions to cover the last 2 premiums. Also, from the end of the premium payment term, you receive cash bonuses till the end of the policy term. Kotak Gain offers customizable benefits, giving you the flexibility to choose from multiple plan options, along with premium paying term and frequency, policy term, income benefit payout frequency, additional benefit in case premium is paid through ECS or auto debit option, multiple rider options. No more wait. Activate monthly income immediate. Get the game changer advantage.